How to get a streak pet on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you get a streak pet on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as you have to open TikTok app with your account. After you open TikTok, you will get this kind of interface. From your at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. From your tap on settings and privacy. And from the settings and privacy, tap on notification. Make sure you have give the access notification for your device. After you come on the notification section, you'll have to scroll down and find out the options like streaks. After you find it, you'll have to just turn it on this option. After you turn it on, you will be able to get a streak notification and streak pet on your TikTok. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.